I will go to fourth, that is 4u square plus 8u. Okay, so first you can find 0 of the given polynomial. Now here I can write here 4u square plus 8. Now we have 4u square plus 8u. So here what is common? 4u is common. In these two 4u is common. So if you taken here 4u common means remaining is u plus 4 2 ja 8, u already taken common. Next 4u is equals to 0 you can write down, and u plus 2 is also equal to 0. So u is equals to 0 and u is equals to minus 2 you can write here. So when you will substitute u value 0 in this polynomial, then you will get its value is 0. So that's why this is 0 of the polynomial. And one more is, that is minus 2. When you will substitute minus 2 value in this polynomial, then you will get its whole value is 0. I will explain this one. Okay, so just you can put u value is minus 2. 4 minus 2 whole square plus 8 into minus 2. So 4 you can write minus 2 square is 4 plus into minus 8 2 is 16. 4 4 is 16 minus 16. These two get cancelled. So then you got its value is 0. So that's why this is said to be 0 of the polynomial. And now I will write here 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So zeros of the polynomial, that is 4u square plus 8u are 0 and minus 2. That is, you can consider one value is alpha and another one is beta. Alpha equal to 0 you can consider, and beta is equals to minus 2 you can consider. Okay, next you can find sum and product of the zeros. Given polynomial p of x is equals to 4u square plus 8u, and coefficient of u square is 4, that is a, and b value is coefficient of u, and c is constant, that is 0. Here there is no constant term. Okay, next you can write sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So alpha value you can substitute 0 from here, and beta value you can substitute minus 2. So alpha value is 0 plus beta value is minus 2, which is equals to minus, right as it is. B is 8 and divided by a value 4 you can substitute. Then you can simplify. Sum of these two is minus 2, which equals to 4 1 ja 4 2 ja minus 2 you can write down. So hence verified sum of the zeros. Next you can go to product of zeros. Alpha plus beta, which equals to c by a. You know this formula. Alpha value we can substitute 0 and beta value is minus 2, which equals to c constant. There is no constant, that is 0. So you can substitute here c value, that is 0, and a is 4, you can substitute a value. So next you can find its product. 0 into minus 2 is 0, 0 by 4 is 0. Now I will explain here fifth question, that is t square minus 15. Okay, so you can find its factors of t square minus 15. So just you can think this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So here you can write t plus root 15 into t minus root. T value is minus root 15 and t value is root 15. Okay, so zeros of the polynomial t square minus 15 are root of minus 15 or minus root 15 and root 15. That is, you can call one, or you can consider one is minus root 15, that is alpha, and beta is root 15. Next you can write down. Okay, next you can write here given polynomial, that is t square minus 15. Okay, in this polynomial t square coefficient is 1, that is a. Okay, next there is no t coefficient. So that's why we can write here b value is 0 and constant is minus 50. Okay, next you can write here sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros are alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Already you know this formula. And the product of the zeros alpha into beta, which is equals to c by a. Okay, so here alpha value is minus root 15. Next you write plus as it is. Beta value is root 15, which is equals to minus, you can write as it is. B value is 0 divided by a value is 1. You can substitute. Okay, so next minus root 15 plus root 15 get cancelled. Okay, so plus root 15 and minus root 15, its value is 0. Minus 0 by 1 is 0. Okay, next you can go to product of the zeros. Product of zeros are alpha into beta, which is equals to c by a. Alpha value is minus root 15 into, you can write as it is. Beta value is root 15, which is equals to c by a. C value is minus 15, you can write, and a value is 1, you can write. Okay, next minus root 15 into root 15, root 15 whole square you can write. Minus you write as it is. Root 15 into root 15, you can write root 15 whole square, because root 15 here two root 15s are there, which equals to minus 15 by 1 is minus 15 only. Okay, next square root, these two get cancelled. Then you can write minus as it is. 15 you can write as it is, which is equals to minus 15. Hence verified the sum of the zeros and also verified the product of the zeros, right? So next you can go to sixth one, that is 3x square minus x and minus 4. Okay, now we have 3x square minus x and minus 4. So here x square coefficient is 3. Okay, and constant is 4. 3 into 4, that is 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, you can find its factors, its prime factors you can find. 3 into 4. Next you can go 4 means 2 into 2. You can make here two groups. Okay, with the help of these factors you can make here two groups. When you will add or subtract that two groups, you should get here coefficient of x. Okay, and also when you will multiply these two, then you get a product of coefficient of x square and constant. Okay, so I will make here one is 3 and another one is 4. Okay, when you will multiply 3 into 4, then you will get here 12. And also you can consider this is minus 4 and plus 3. Okay, so minus 4 plus 3 means minus 1 you will get, right? That is coefficient of x. Okay, so I will write here 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Okay, so 3x square you can write this one as it is. In place of minus x you can write here minus 4x and plus 3x. So you can write this 3x square as it is. In place of minus x you can write here minus 4 and plus 3x. Okay, minus 4x plus 3x, its sum is minus x you will get here. Minus 4 you can write as it is. Next, what is common in these two? You can take x is common. Okay, remaining is 3x you can write down. Minus you write as it is. You can take here x common, remaining is 4. In these two, what is common? 1 is common. So you can write 3x as it is. Minus symbol is here. You can write here minus. And 1 how much the 4 means? 1 4 is 4. Minus into minus is plus. So what is common in these two? 3x minus 4 is common. Remaining is x plus 1. These two are the factors of this polynomial. Okay, so 3x is equals to 4 you can write, and x is equals to 4 by 3 you can write, and also one more x value is minus 1, because x plus 1 is equals to 0 and x equals to minus 1. So when you will substitute x value minus 1 in this polynomial, then you will get its value 0. And also when you will substitute x is equals to 4 by 3 in this polynomial, then you will get its value is 0. Okay, next you can go here. Next you can go to here sum of the zeros. Okay, that is alpha plus beta. Alpha is you can consider here alpha is equals to 4 by 3 and beta is equals to minus 1. These two are zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Next here, a value is coefficient of x square, that is 3, and b value is coefficient of x, that is minus 1, and c is constant, that is minus 4. Okay. Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. You know this formula. So alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha value is 4 by 3, you can write as it is, plus I will write as it is, and beta value is minus 1, which is equals to minus, you can write as it is, and b value is minus 1 divided by a value is 3. Okay. 4 by 3 plus or minus 1. LCM of these two is 3, you can take here, and remaining is LCM 3 and 1 LCM is 3, 3 1 ja, so 4 1 3 ja means we can write here, so which equals to minus into minus is plus 1 by 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 3, so 1 by 3 can write as it is. Hence verified the sum of the zeros. Next you can go product of the zeros. Alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Alpha value is 4 by 3 into beta value is minus 1, and c value is minus 4, and a value is 3, you can write. Okay. Next you can multiply these two. Minus into plus is minus, 1 4 is 4 divided by 3, you can write as it is, and you can write this minus 4 by 3. So hence here verified the product of zeros and coefficients of polynomials. Okay, you can write here, hence verified the result, you can write, hence verified the result. Okay, thanks.